Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Musa Pipuna. I'm a Cameroonian and I live in Arlington, Texas. A few days ago, I made some comments on a video that went viral on social media. The videos were showing several people in Cameroon having a hard time using the escalators in the newly inaugurated Douala Mall. Many folks around the world have been making fun of those people who were evidently using an escalator for the first time ever. However, I'm one of those who believe that it was an opportunity to explain how to use that great modern equipment. Besides, if not used properly, it can become very dangerous for anyone. And when I say anyone, I really mean anyone, because it doesn't matter if you are used to it or not. If you don't follow the safety measures, you can get in trouble and it can become very dangerous, very, very dangerous. So this video is not only for people who have never used it, but for all those who also use that piece of equipment and don't even follow the safety measures that go along with that piece of equipment. In this video, I will first present the main parts of an escalator. Next, I will explain how to access an escalator. In the third section, I will explain what to do once you are on the escalator, how to behave when you are on the escalator. And in the last section, I will explain how to exit an escalator. Now I'm going to show you how to access an escalator. Firstly, you have to determine whether it is the right escalator for you or not. And how do you determine if it is the right one for you or not? How do you make that decision? Simply by choosing the one with stairs that move away from you. Do not attempt to step on an escalator that with stairs that come toward you. You want to step on the escalator with stairs moving away from you. One more thing you need to be aware of is that the stairs that you need to take could be on the left-hand side or the right-hand side. All you need to worry about is the direction in which the stairs are moving. For instance, here on this video, the correct side is the left-hand side, because those stairs, when you're coming from the lower floor, the stairs on the left-hand side are moving away from you. So those are the ones that you want to take. However, on this video, you can see that standing on the lower floor, the correct stairs, the correct escalator that you need to take is the one on the right-hand side. So, and I repeat myself, the correct escalator is the one with stairs going away from you. That's all you need to worry about. Secondly, once you have located the correct escalator, walk gently towards the first step of the escalator. Once you are in front of the first step, what you do, you have to synchronize, and this is the crucial moment. You have to synchronize the movements of your right foot, your left hand, and your left foot. What you do is this: put your left hand gently on the guardrail. At the same time, put your right foot on the first step of the escalator. I'll repeat it because this is crucial. You will put your left hand on the guardrail while you are putting your right foot on the first step of the escalator. And in a split second, you take your left foot off the ground, off the floor, and put it next to your right foot. Let me say it again. You walk at your normal pace towards the first step of the escalator that you want to take. Then you put your left hand on the guardrail. At the same time, you put your right foot on the first step of the escalator. And in a split second, you don't need to stay there forever. Just a split second, you take your left foot off the ground and then you put it next to your right foot. Finally, when you have your both feet on the first step, you just stand still and you do nothing. You have your hand on the guardrail, just like this lady on the left-hand side of, on the right-hand side of the video. So you just stand still, you have your left hand on the guardrail, and then you have both feet together on that step. And that's it. And then the escalator is going to take you to destination. And we'll see now what to do once you get to final destination. Now let's see what you have to do when you get to the final destination, when you get to step out of the escalator. And that's another crucial moment when you take the escalator. Once you get there, you have to take your right foot and put it, once you reach the last step of the escalator, you just raise your right foot and put it on the floor, and in a split second, and I'll repeat it, in a split second you take off your left leg and start walking just normally. So the left leg will go in front of the right leg, and then you just keep walking at your normal pace. You don't need to rush, you don't need to run, you don't need to change the way you normally walk. That's it. And this concludes my video on how to use an escalator. Please share the video with all your contacts and subscribe to my channel. You'll be receiving new videos, new notification every Friday on new videos that I will be posting. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.